As far as the maintenance of this particular tool, there isn't really much to it. Coming from the factory, it's already pre-assembled and ready to go. One major thing that I would like to point out to anybody who is using electrical tools, and especially the ones which are turning very quickly with the sharp bits or any type of other mechanical fixtures to it, please do not wrap the cord around the tool itself. This is the major problem and the major cause of any breakdowns in any tools of this kind. What will happen, you will break those wires inside the connecting sleeve here, and very quickly the tool that's worth about $200 will be worth maybe $10. Obviously it's an investment, you want to protect it. Always try to store it in some place where there is not a lot of humidity, obviously, and not a lot of water, because it's an electrical one. And keep it out of the reach of children. Very, very important. Thank you.